I think we should invest some in local remedies. I would still say that the simple things we can really do the simple things, which is enforce the protocols that are already in place. Go even harder on the the bans that have been placed. Um, I will say that maybe I'm not fully for a mandatory quarantine at the airport because I think at this point I can tell you that the variants are not just here; they're they're really here. So we are beyond the point where we're going to try to keep them out. They're not 1% of the circulating virus, they're more than 50% of the circulating virus. So I think trying to keep it out, we've already passed that point. I would want him to go harder. Um, and I do agree that maybe we need to push more on some of our local antidotes.